Hey, it's Taylor. I just want to put this together to tell you about the new WordPress crash course that I'm going to start offering. Pretty excited about it. Let's see. So, what is a WordPress crash course? So, it's going to be about an hour long. Try to keep it to an hour. And it's going to be very beginner friendly. So the absolute WordPress basics. Just going to teach people about WordPress platform and how to set up a website, stuff like that. It's going to be a live class. So I'm going to offer them every so often, I guess, as often as people are interested in taking it. I'll still working out the schedule, but I'm going to try to offer them pretty regularly. So who is this class for? So, if you're a small business owner, if you have a side hustle that you've been working on, during this pandemic, during the shutdown, if you're an artist and you want a portfolio site, a blogger, if you're selling affiliate products, really anyone that has a need for any type of website, this class is for you. And what will we learn? So it's, as I said, it's going to be the basics. You don't need to have any coding knowledge, no technical knowledge at all. I'm going to go over, what is WordPress and why I personally choose WordPress over other site builders like Squarespace and Wix. Again, it's my opinion, but I'm going to go over that with you guys. What is web hosting and how do you choose a good web hosting provider? How to navigate the WordPress backend. And then my favorite WordPress tools that I use when I'm building client sites. So I've used a bunch of tools that I really like, and I'm just going to show them to you guys. And my goal is to just give you a wide variety of tools and show you how to do a bunch of stuff. And then afterwards, you can choose what you like and what resonates with you, and go from there. So, I'm going to pretty much show you how to build a professional WordPress website on the cheap. So inexpensive tools. None of this stuff is super expensive. What will the class cost? So I am going to keep it free. So I want to give everybody a chance to learn how to do this stuff. So I often get asked to build websites for people that have small businesses or like I said, artists, stuff like that. And really, I really think given some direction and given the right tools, you guys can build a really awesome website on your own and not have to pay a web designer. So I just want to give people the tools and show people how it's done. So if you're interested, go to designittogether.com/crash course, and I have a form towards the bottom of the page. And because I'm still building this course out, tell me what you're interested in learning specifically, and also what times you might be interested in taking a crash course like this. So and then I can start putting together a schedule, and I'll get you on the list and reach out when it's ready to roll. So thank you for your time, and I hope to hear from you.